So guys, here we are unboxing the new mobile phone realme c53, which is launched just 2 days back. So let's see how it looks. So guys, here we are opening the brand new phone. Let's see how it looks. So this is the guide, I guess, how to use phone. Then now we are checking the phone. So we have got one adapter and one USB cable with this, and this is our phone. So here we have the phone, and let's see how the camera looks. So the camera actually looks like an iPhone camera, so that is the feature in realme c53, and it is looking very good. So yeah guys.